So today we're going to be trying to create a 3D drawing of a cube, and it's important that your pencil is reasonably sharp, okay, and we will start to show you how easy it is by first of all using a ruler, okay, and we're going to try and draw a square, because everybody can do that, but because the shape is pretty much equal all the way around. And we're going to very slowly just decide how big you want it on your piece of paper. Now your books are likely to be this way around, so you can do it about, I would say, about 4 centimeters. So we're going to do very lightly 4 centimeters. I'm going to do 4 centimeters down. So we're measuring 4 centimeters down. Okay, remember we're doing it lightly so that if we make a mistake, we can rub it out. And we are going to join those last 2 corners and make sure it's 4 centimeters. And if, for example, if one of you have made it slightly slanted, just rub it out and just mark where the forces is, and then you can read the line. So if it is possible that you make that mistake, but that's absolutely fine. So every person can pretty much draw a square, and if you don't use a ruler, it won't even be a grade 1 at GCSE. So it's really important that the use of a ruler is, like, for me, the best cheat. Okay, you can get it straight, you don't have to do it freehand. Use the ruler whenever you can, and that even goes to when you're doing your GCSEs. Now the next stage is making sure that these 3 corners are all the same angle. All right, you can do it freehand. Okay, so if I was looking at about 45 degrees or 40 degrees angle, now because I've done it for years, I can probably do each of those quite accurately. But if you want to, you can also use a protractor. All right, so mine's looking at 30 degrees angle, so I've got to make sure now that every one of these is at a 30 degree angle. So I just place that on each corner. Okay, 30 is there, so I've just got to make sure that my ruler is, and each line I would say about 1 centimeter. So just mark that 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and the last one, and the quicker way you could probably do it as well, you drag your ruler the same angle and do that same line again. All right, I wanted 1 centimeter, and obviously you can then join up all those lines, the 3 corners, to get your 3D cube. And then you can hopefully use your the different tones. So decide where you want the light. So if we've looked at shading, I can decide where the light is going, and if you want 1 layer at the top, because that's where the light hits first, 2 layers perhaps on that front side, and then about 3 layers, that's the furthest away from the light and has the shadow on that far, and then and you'll hopefully be able to demonstrate 3 different tones, and that would actually help you towards getting a grade 3. So grade 1, make sure that your ruler is showing used on the straight lines. Grade 2, trying to get those angles all the same, and then grade 3 is ensuring there are 3 different tones of shading on your cube, so that the demonstrating a range of tones using just 1 HB pencil. Give it a go and we'll see what they look like.